Hey guys, today we're bringing vegan cooking to the Blackstone. Today I'll be cooking up some Impossible burgers and smashed potatoes. Let's get started. First things first, let's prepare our ingredients. We have our Impossible burgers, steam in the bag baby potatoes, Worcestershire sauce, ciabatta rolls, gluten-free, no salt seasoning, lettuce, mayo, dill pickles, and tomatoes. You can purchase Impossible burgers in a 2-pack, 6-pack, or a 12-ounce pack and make your own burgers. Start by defrosting the Impossible burgers. Then use a fork to poke a few holes in them. This helps them absorb more flavor. Add a half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce and then sprinkle some no salt seasoning. Next, let's steam our potatoes. These normally take 8 to 9 minutes to fully cook, but I'm only pre-cooking them for 6 minutes. This will make them soft enough to smash easily on the grill. If you can't find microwavable potatoes, just bring them to boil and drain them before you put them on the grill. Now let's get everything organized on our trays. We're almost ready to go outside and cook. Turn on the gas and preheat your Blackstone Griddle to 375 degrees. I like to use my thermometer to know how to keep track of the temps throughout the grill top. The preheating process took about 8 minutes. Once it's heated, spray some avocado oil on the grill top. Add the potatoes first. Let them cook for about 5 minutes on each side. Give those potatoes a flip until they are crispy on each side. In the meantime, I'm checking the temp of the other side of the grill so I know when and where to put the burgers. Now it's time to smash the potatoes. I started off using parchment paper, but it actually was easier without it. If you pre-cook them, then this process will be relatively easy. Now it's time for the star of the show, our Impossible burgers. The thermometer clocks that area at 350 in the front part of the grill. You want them to have a brown crust on both sides, so cook them for about 5 minutes on each side. Now give those potatoes a flip after a few minutes. They're looking really good. I like them to be lightly crispy on each side. You can make them as crispy as you want. So now I'm going to spray a little more avocado oil on them to prevent any sticking. By this time, you want to flip your burgers. They're looking really good. Because they're not meat, they don't need to be cooked at a high temperature. You want to always know the temperature of each part of the grill. The thermometer is reading 350 in the front part of the grill and 450 towards the middle. If I put the burgers there, they would have likely burned. Now I put my roll on the back edge where the temp is low to give it a lightly toast. The potatoes have been cooking for roughly 10 minutes. The burgers and potatoes are now done. The buns only took a few minutes to toast. Everything is cooked to perfection. Let's dress our burger with some fresh lettuce, tomato, crunchy pickle, and some mayo. And there you have it, a perfect summer meal. The Impossible Burger is juicy and flavorful, and the potatoes are lightly crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Thanks for joining me today. Check the description for the equipment and products I used in the video. And if you enjoyed this recipe, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more vegan Blackstone recipes.